How to add New Year notes on Instagram. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add New Year notes on Instagram. Firstly, on your device, open App Store or Google Play Store and look for updates. Go to the search bar on the top and search for Instagram app. If you see any update option available, click on it to update your app, or else open Instagram on your device. On Instagram, make sure you are logged in to your account. To add a new note, go to your chat section. From your home page, swipe right. Here at the top, click on Note. Now simply type in New Year. After typing in New Year, click on Share to share the note. Once you share the note, it will look something like this. If you want to make it more creative and vibrant, click on the note again. To make your note more vibrant, just type in whatever I'm typing. Just copy my text. On my note, I'm typing, I wish everyone a happy new year, and I'm leaving 2 emojis. Once you have also done that, you can click on followers you follow back to set up your audience. Once you have done that, click on share and it will look a lot more creative. As you can see here, it looks more vibrant and attractive. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.